As we know, in our swing gate automations, we work on the operating times of the control unit. We should normally have mechanical limits, so in closing, there is usually a ground stop. In opening, there should be another mechanical stop. Where this is not possible, we have the possibility on our motors themselves to use mechanical end-of-travel parts, for example on articulated arms. We have the mechanical end-of-travel built in. For underground systems, we have the optional end-of-travel to mount on the bracket with the piston. The situation is a bit different. What does this mean? That ideally when installing the piston it is always best to utilize the full stroke, which means that we could use the motor's own stroke as an end of travel where we do not have fixed references.